morning.
Good morning. Good morning. I stand before you as a proud alumni of Western High School, the oldest all-girl college preparatory high school in the country. Western's mascot is the dove, which represents peace and integrity. One of the mantras at Western High School is only the best, which means you only give your best. You only give your best. You move in quiet dignity, that is encouraged, and you only give your best. And once you give your best, you stand in it. And so I want to stand here to congratulate those who are headed to Western High School and are going to experience the Dove Love. Dove Love will never leave you, Chloe. It will always be with you wherever you go. And Emily, wherever you go from now on until the end of whenever, when you run into women who have experienced matriculating at Western High School, no matter what year they graduate, they will extend to you Dove Love. So I'd like to present this certificate to Chloe Craig. And for the first time, I'd like to extend to you some Dove Love.